This is the HARDELL rechargeable 6-inch stainless steel digital caliper. Company sent me this product to check it out and make a video for it, so let's do it. Came in some nice looking packaging. Inside the package, you are going to get the digital calipers, obviously an 8-inch or 20 centimeter metal ruler, a user guide, pretty decent hard plastic case, 2 snaps on there, holds good, and a Type-C charging cable because this is a rechargeable device. You charge it up right here. They say that one 20-minute charge is going to give you up to 6 months of usage time. I have not tested that out. I haven't had it for 6 months. If you get into a jam, a little 2-minute charge will get you back on the road until you can give it a full charge. And by the way, it will automatically turn off after 5 minutes of non-use. So that's good because I forget sometimes. The unit's made from stainless steel. We got stainless steel jaws on the bottom and on the top. And the depth gauge is stainless steel. The whole thing's stainless steel except for the area that holds the electronics. That's plastic. The thumb grip feels good. The roller section is smooth. There's always a little bit of play in these, but it rolls nice and smooth. I don't feel it slipping or hanging up everywhere. We have a locking screw on the top. Overall, it's got some heft. Feels pretty sturdy to me. It has a measuring range from 0 to a little over 6 inches or a little over 155 millimeters. And there is an ISO and Whitworth quick reference chart on the back. It has an LCD screen, though this particular model is not backlit. We have an on-off button. We have a 0 button on the top. And on the bottom, there's a mode button where you can easily switch from inches to fractions to millimeters. You can also zero it out anywhere in the rule if you want to measure from a certain distance. And this model has a reset button on it if you run into any type of situation like a screen freeze or something like that. So there are 4 ways you can measure with this. We have the 2 pairs of jaws for the inside and outside measurements, like so. You can use the top jaws for an inside measurement. We have the depth measurement. So if you got to go down into something, you could do that. Tighten the screw. And there's the step measurement on the back that measures from here to the bottom. And you've got this flat bottom. You can measure from the top of here to a flat surface. Tighten it down. So there you go, nice 3 measurement digital caliper. Would be great for jewelers, maybe some household repairs, DIY projects, for mechanics, industrial and workshop use, machining, woodworking projects, all kinds of stuff. Very nice.